Do you want to let users make choices in your Python GUI with just a click? In this video, we'll add a checkbox and a set of radio buttons using DearPyGui. First, we create a function called onCheckboxChange. This function runs whenever the checkbox is clicked. It prints the current state, either true or false, to the console so you can see whether it's checked or not in real time. Next, we create another function called onRadioChange. This one runs whenever a different radio option is selected. It prints the selected option's text to the console, letting us instantly know which choice the user picked. Inside our window labeled checkbox and radio example, we add a checkbox with the label check me and connect it to the first function. Then we add a radio button group with 3 options, option 1, option 2, and option 3, linking it to the second function. After setting up the viewport and starting DearPyGui, you can click the checkbox, switch between radio options, and watch the console update in real time. If you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.